Welcome back to X Car, where we bring you the latest in car design, performance, and innovation. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the freshly unveiled 2025 Toyota Yaris, focusing solely on what meets the eye first: its striking exterior. The Yaris has always held a distinct place in Toyota's lineup, serving as the brand's go-to compact hatchback that marries practicality with youthful styling. But for 2025, Toyota has taken that legacy and given it a sharp, aggressive update that positions the Yaris as more than just a city runabout. It's now a visual statement. Let's start at the front, where the transformation is most apparent. The 2025 Yaris adopts Toyota's new design language: bolder, more angular, and undeniably modern. Dominating the fascia is a wide, low-set grille that immediately gives the car a planted, athletic look. Toyota has introduced a new mesh pattern for the grille, giving it a premium and sporty character, almost reminiscent of the larger Corolla GR Sport. Flanking the grille are sleek, arrow-shaped LED headlights that are sharper than anything we've seen on a Yaris before. These adaptive LED units not only provide excellent visibility but give the car a high-tech, dynamic personality even when stationary. Daytime running lights have been integrated seamlessly, flowing upward along the edges of the headlamp housing to create a visual signature that's instantly recognizable. Below the headlights, the sculpted bumper features functional air inlets that improve aerodynamics and engine cooling, a nod to Toyota's increasing focus on performance even in its smallest models. Moving along the side, the 2025 Yaris keeps its compact proportions but refines its silhouette with stronger character lines and a more dynamic profile. The shoulder line now runs cleanly from the front fender through to the rear taillights, creating a sense of motion even when the car is parked. A new crease just above the side skirts adds visual depth and makes the lower body appear more muscular and rounded. Toyota has also lowered the roofline slightly, giving the Yaris a more coupe-like stance without compromising headroom, a testament to clever engineering. Wheel options now range from 15 to 17 inches, with the upper trims featuring striking two-tone alloy designs that echo the sportier elements of Toyota's Gazoo racing division. The wheel arches have been subtly flared, adding presence and enhancing the Yaris' planted look on the road. Side mirrors are now sleeker and mounted slightly lower on the door panel for better aerodynamics and reduced wind noise. Toyota has also added integrated turn indicators and blind spot indicators on select trims, a feature that blends function and form. The rear of the 2025 Yaris is perhaps where the most aggressive redesign can be found. The rear LED taillights have been completely reimagined, now stretching nearly the entire width of the car and connected by a gloss black trim bar, a popular styling hue in today's hatchbacks. These lights not only add width to the car visually but also bring a futuristic element to the overall design. The tailgate itself features more defined creases and a revised spoiler lip at the top edge, improving downforce and stability at higher speeds. Toyota has also reworked the rear bumper with deeper contours and a faux diffuser element, again emphasizing sportiness and aerodynamic efficiency. Depending on the trim, buyers can choose from chrome, gloss black, or satin finish rear badging, giving the car a more customized and upscale look. Now, let's talk colors, and Toyota isn't holding back here. For 2025, the Yaris is available in an expanded palette that includes the new Solar Flare Orange, Midnight Sapphire Blue, and a striking two-tone option that pairs a black roof with contrasting body colors like Blizzard White or Crimson Red. These bold choices reflect Toyota's effort to appeal to younger buyers who see their car as an extension of their personal style. Historically, the Yaris has evolved from a functional city car to a design-forward hatchback, and the 2025 model continues that trajectory. It draws inspiration from Toyota's global success in motorsports, particularly in the World Rally Championship, where the GR Yaris has earned a cult following. While the standard Yaris isn't a rally car, its exterior clearly borrows cues from its high-performance sibling, especially in its stance, grille design, and sculpted panels. Even without opening the hood or stepping inside, it's clear that the 2025 Yaris is no longer just about affordability, it's about identity. Every line, crease, and surface has been refined to give this compact hatch a sense of drama, movement, and confidence. And in an age where crossovers are crowding the streets, the Yaris stands out by proving that compact doesn't have to mean conservative. It's youthful without being immature, sporty without being excessive, and aerodynamic without being sterile, Whether you're pulling into a city parking spot or cruising through mountain switchbacks, the Yaris has a visual presence that punches well above its weight class. That's our take on the exterior of the 2025 Toyota Yaris. Let us know in the comments, does this new look hit the mark for you, or is it a bit too bold for a compact hatch? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from X Car. Until next time, drive safe, and stay curious.